We're starting the vlog midweek. It's Thursday, 1:12 in the afternoon. This week has literally been super hectic. I've had things kind of thrown at me from left and right field. In between all of that, did some deep cleaning with the bathroom, our room, and just got through some paperwork. Things that I just really needed to sort through. Hungry. It's time to go eat the toppers. One trip only. So that means we gotta pack this baby up. This one's mine, the pepperoni mushroom. Is yours an extra pepperoni?
Yeah.
Both of these were like $15.85 with tax. So not bad. Oh, look at Darren's salad bowl. It's empty because he doesn't like salad. This is what I have to deal with when I go to the store. Derren telling me to put everything back. Alright, so Derren is leaving for the weekend. He's going to his CFCY. It's a church group. Sorry, I probably look like complete crap right now, but just don't mind that. He was asking me to get his Hydro Flask, and it's right here. Thanks for letting me know. The strangest thing just happened. Somebody doorbelled, had something in his hand. It looked like a clipboard, didn't it? I think it was a clipboard. And he doorbelled, and then he tried to like open the door, which is so odd. But I think he's like a service repair guy, so I think he just had the wrong house. But yeah, it was just really odd, and we're like, who is that? See you later. Have a great weekend. Your Hydro Flask.
Okay, bye.
Bye. See you later. Bye. Bye. Hey. Bye. I seriously feel like I got the best parking here at the mall. I was expecting to circle around for at least like 10-15 minutes, and that wasn't the case. I found a parking by chance in less than 5 minutes on a Saturday, on a rainy, not so much anymore, rainy Saturday. It has definitely cleared up. Still a little bit chilly, like Southern California chilly. I'm here at the Northridge Fashion Center. I'm gonna first stop at the main destination, like why I went here. And I'm gonna show you guys in 3, 2. Let's just say this isn't exactly why I came to the mall. Just happened to bump into this place. It's called Square Bar Cafe. I'm just gonna grab some boba instead, some bubble tea. How cute is this, right? It's a lens cup from Square Bar. That is too freaking cute. Let's just kind of recap today because I don't think I really vlogged that much. The whole point really of today was to go to the mall and pick up new additions for the wardrobe. When I watched some of the old vlogs last week, I noticed that a lot of my clothing is literally from 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. If you guys have been a long time watcher of the vlogs, then you know when I used to work at the doctor's office, lunchtime, I was always at Forever 21. 4 days a week, I was basically wearing scrubs, and I was always just purchasing clothing. I switched over to a different job where it was more like office attire. That's the time I didn't really purchase clothing. I didn't purchase a single clothing or accessory item, which I was really disappointed with, but you know, there's always a different day. Maybe next week we'll go to a different mall. I really wanted to go to Somi where they have the soft serve taiyaki ice cream. Absolutely delicious. It was worth every single calorie. It was so good. It was ube ice cream with red bean curd, Oreo crumbles, and candy sprinkles with a little macaron right like smack on the side. And before that I had, it was called 50/50. I think it's kind of like a bubble tea because I did see that there was some boba and it had something else in it, and it was good. It was also pretty sweet, I guess you could say, but the only thing I really took home today besides the food was the lens tumbler, which I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of, and plus it was super cute. I thought it was really fitting. After that, went home, picked up the hubs, and we ran a couple errands. We had dinner at this restaurant called So Fresh Kebab, located in Simi Valley, California. Their food was just off the charts. I chose the chicken kebab with the sour cherry rice and is it Shirazi salad? I think that's the name of it. My husband got the lamb with regular basmati rice, and he got a garden salad. He isn't really a huge fan of kebabs, but this, he said he really liked it. After that, we went to Marshall's, and even at Marshall's, I didn't find anything. Here we are at home, having my jasmine green tea from Trader Joe's and talking to you guys. Next week is gonna be really eventful. There's something big going down with the fam this upcoming week. Let me know what you guys did this past week or what you guys have planned for the week ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog there. Thank you guys so much for watching, taking the time to watch the vlogs. I really truly appreciate every single one of you. Have an amazing week, you guys, and we will see you guys in next week's vlog.